morning. My name is Sangurav Gangatre. I am working as a trained graduate teacher in Eklave Model Residential School, Aheri. We are celebrating the CBSE Education Saptaha. Today is the 5th day of Education Saptaha. So this is for our skill education. So our school taken as agriculture subject as a skill education subject. So through the activity we are visiting to the field along with our school students, and we are planting some trees and getting the information about the different kharif crops. Thank you.
When plants of the same kind are grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called as crop. So there are three seasonal crops found in India: Kharif crop, Rabi crop and Zaid crop. Now Kharif season is start, and the one example of Kharif crop is paddy. So see the paddy crop. The second example of Kharif crop is cotton. See the cotton in the field.
CBSE शिक्षण सप्ताह दिवस 5वा या निमित्ताने एकलव्य शाळेतील विद्यार्थी आमच्या शेताला भेट दिली आणि आमच्या शेतात असणाऱ्या वनस्पतीबद्दल त्यांनी माहिती घेतली. फार बरं वाटत आहे. तर धन्यवाद.
लगे रे.